Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel ChaSpeaks. This is your learning partner, Doc Gonzalez. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of qualitative research. This is part of our series on qualitative research. Whether you're a student, a budding researcher, or just curious about how we make sense of human experiences, this video is for you. So let's explore the basic tools in qualitative research that will help you uncover rich and meaningful data. If you are enjoying this video or find this insight helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel ChaSpeaks for more content on research and learning. We'd also love to hear from you. Leave a short comment below telling us what your favorite qualitative research tool is. Your feedback helps us create better videos for you. So, what is qualitative research? Unlike quantitative research, which deals with numbers and statistics, qualitative research focuses on words, stories, ideas, and experiences. It helps us understand the why and how behind people's thoughts and behavior. To conduct effective qualitative research, you need the right tools. These tools guide you in collecting, organizing, and analyzing non-numerical data. So let's break down the essential tools you'll need. The first and perhaps the most common tool is the interview. Interviews can be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured. In structured interviews, you ask each participant the same set of questions. Semi-structured interviews allow you the flexibility, giving you room to probe deeper based on the responses. And unstructured interviews are more like guided conversation. Imagine you're researching how students feel about online learning. A semi-structured interview lets you ask a set of questions while following up interesting points your participants brings up. Your participants bring up. Next, a focus group discussion. This involves gathering a small group of participants, 5 to 8 people, to discuss a topic. It's great for capturing diverse perspectives and observing group dynamics. But remember to facilitate the discussion neutrally and ensure everyone's voice is heard. Next, observation. Observation is another powerful tool. Here, you watch and record behaviors, events, or interaction in their natural setting. Observation can be participant, where you're involved in the activity, or non-participant, where you simply watch. Example, if you want to study classroom behavior, you might sit in and take notes on how students interact during group work. Next, document and artifact analysis. Qualitative researchers also analyze documents and artifacts like diaries, photographs, letters, or social media posts. These provide valuable context and historical insight. Example, you're looking at old yearbooks to study changes in school culture over time. Once you've collected your data, you need, how do you record your tools? Okay, what are the data recording tools? So once you've recorded or collected your data, you need to record it accurately. And here are some basic tools. You have audio recorders, field notes, and video recorders. So audio recorders, okay, it is useful for capturing interviews and discussion verbatim, but always ask permission first before you do the recording. Second, field notes. Here, you jot down observation, your thoughts and reaction during and after during or after data collection. Field notes often capture details you might miss otherwise. Of course, you have video recorders, handy for recording interaction and nonverbal cues during focus groups or observation. Next, how would you organize your data, data organization and management tools? And what are these? So, organizing your data is crucial. And the basic tools include transcription software, spreadsheets, folders, and storage. For transcription software converts audio recordings into text for easier analysis. Example of this is Otter AI and Express Scribe. So you might as well use that as well. And of course, you have spreadsheets. Okay, you have Excel, for example. And they are good for organizing participant details, coding data, and tracking themes. Lastly, you have, the use of folders or online folders or cloud. This will help you keep your files safe and organized, okay, but always back up your data. Next, data analysis tools. What are the data analysis tools? Now, let's talk about basic tools for analyzing your quantitative data. Okay, one, coding. This is the process of labeling key pieces of data. You can do this manually with highlighters or stick notes or digital using softwares. And there are here the data analytic tools that you can use. You have Tableau, Power BI, Microsoft Excel, SQL, RStorage, etc. Then you have thematic analysis. Okay, identifying the patterns and themes across the data. Simple tools like colored pens, index cards, or quantitative data analysis software like NVivo or Atlas.ti can help. Now, how do you report your data? So, finally, you'll need tools to report your findings. Basic word processors like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, and presentation tools like PowerPoint or even Prezi are essentials for sharing your insights to others. But remember, always present direct quotes and examples to support your findings. Of course, we really have to consider also ethical consideration. Before wrapping up, remember, ethical considerations are just as important as technical tools. Always get informed consent, protect participants' privacy, and handle data securely. To sum up, basic tools in qualitative research include interviews, focus groups, observations, document analysis, and the tools you use for recording, organizing, and analyzing and reporting your data. Mastering this will help you conduct meaningful research and make a real impact. So again, thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more research tips. Got questions you want and suggest topic, drop them in the comments below.